previous day we already studied about a different type of string operations. So today the continuation. So here slicing, another string operation is called slicing. So slicing means to cut some part of the string. So in Python, to access some part of a string or substring, we can use the method is called slicing. So here we can use some example. So here look at that, here string1 is equal to hello world. So here slicing means, here from the example look at that str1, then in square bracket we specify the starting and ending index 1, then full colon 5. So it is start the slicing from first index to up to 4 index. Means if any specified values of upper limit, that -1 up to that we are just slicing. So here look at that, given a string str1, the slice operation string1 of n comma m. So n means the starting and m means the ending. So it returns the part of the string str1 starting from index n. So n is including and ending with the m -1. So m is exclusive, means upper limit -1. So up to that upper limit -1 it returns. So in other words, we can say that str1 of n up to m returns all the character string from str1n till str1 of m-1. So this is the way to cut some part of the string. So here look at that, then str1 of 1 is to 5, it returns ELLO because the HELLOWORLD is our string 1. So here E is the index 1, then from the E up to 4 index means ELLO up to O it returns. So this is the way of slicing. Then next look at that str1 to str1 of 7 up to 10. So starting from 7 index and ending from 10th index. So output is ORL. So here then str1 of 3 is to 20 means, for example here this entire string contains node up to 20. So it start from third and end up to the last of the string. So here then the next one is the first index is greater than second index, then it returns an empty value, because every time in the slicing first index should be less than second index, then only it returns any character. So here look at that str1 of 7 is to 2 means first index is greater than second index, so that's why it returns empty string. So next, if the starting index is not specified, it start from 0. So last example you can see that str1, then starting index is not specified, only ending index is 5. So it start from 0 and 5 minus 1 up to 4. So 0 to 4 it is written. So here then look at that, if the second index is not mentioned. So here if the second index is not mentioned, then it start from the index 6 to up to the end of the string. So here str1 6 is to the second m part is not specified here, so it take the entire string starting from 6 and it take the entire string. So so then we can also specify the step value. For example, look at that str1 n is to m is to k. K is the step value. Step means the increment operator. For example, here str1 of 0 is to 10 is to 2 means it start from 0, it moved up to 9, then it each step means first take the 0, then take the 2, then take the 4, then take the 6, like that. So it returns HLOWR. So here H start from 0, then plus 2 means L, then plus 2 means O, then plus 2 means W, then plus 2 means R. So this is the way for slicing. So next str1 of 0 is to 10 is to 3, like that, starting from 0 up to 9, then step value is 3. So this is the way for slicing. Slicing is the last operation of string operation. So you already study all the string operation, membership, slicing, repetition and concatenation. These are the main operations, string operations.